Alright, so boot or trunk, as Yanks say, light replacement on, this is a 2018, but 2016 to 2020 Honda HR-V. Yeah, bring it back. Okay, so I've got a little white glove on. Got a little plastic tool, bodywork tool here. These things are handy to have. Though if you don't have one, you can use a screwdriver. But anyway, so you've got your boot light here. You can turn it on, flick it towards the back. If your bulb's blown, flick it towards the back just to make sure that it's off. So you pry from this front side. There you go. Stick that in there, pry out. Now, you notice that this is got a, just zoom in here if we can. Okay, this has got a quick release connector on it. There we go, get the lighting right. So you can take that off. And at first glance it'll make it your life easier, but trust me, if you lose this cable back into that hole, you're going to be at it for a good half an hour trying to get it out again. Whoops, there we go, flick the switch. Though if you do that, FYI, you can shove a bodywork tool up in that gap to be able to push from behind, and if you can find a hard sticky tack and stick it on, you know, like an Allen key or something, you might, or a dab of super glue, you might be able to stick that in, stick it to the connector and pull back out. Anyway, moving on. So this little bulb here, it is, it's just a little wedge bulb. The easiest way to take that out is to push from the back. I've got cotton gloves on just so I don't get fingerprints on it, especially if you're using an incandescent bulb. It's halogen bulb. There you go. Oop, out it pops. There we are. And I'll just zoom back out and bring this up to the camera. As you can see, that is a teeny tiny little bulb in there. Where are we? And I've only got these on one hand, so try not to touch the bulb with my bare hands. There's probably some writing on it there somewhere. There we are. But get in focus. It is a, I'll just read it up here. Bring it over into the light. It's difficult to read. 12 volt 5WL. So what's on that? 5WL Z5. Anyway, it's just a little standard wedge bulb. It's just a 5 watt wedge bulb. I've bought myself an LED kit with all the LEDs for the whole vehicle. So I can, it's open. So I'm swapping them out just to get a bit more light out of it. So we'll see how these go. So you can just pop that back in. Push that back in there, and then clip that. There you go. With any luck, that should be a bit brighter than the old incandescent. Rightio. That's the boot light bulb on a 2016 to 2020 Honda HR-V.